Welcome, folks. This is Tom O'Brien of TFNN. We go 5 days a week. We go 7.5 hours a day. We go 24 hours a day in the internet at TFNN.com. Always remember, folks, whatever you think about, you bring about. Whatever you focus on grows. Hope everyone's having a great day, safe day. Let's make it a great night, folks. Create new agreements based on respect and love. Take the responsibility to make new agreements with those you love. If an agreement doesn't work, change the agreement, create a new one, and use your imagination to explore all the possibilities. Market-wise, let's take a look at it out here. We have the Dow Industrials up 92. Nasdaq up 54, S&P's up 8.5. Gold contract up $7.80, trading at $15.65 an ounce. Silver up 21 cents, $17.82 an ounce. Light sweet crude up 24 cents, $50.99 a barrel. Notes and bonds. You get the 10-year up one tick, trading 130.19. 30-year up 10 ticks, 161.14, and King Dollar up 194 ticks, trading 98.473. The euro is at 109. The yen is out here at 110, and the pound is at 129 to 1 U.S. dollar. Excuse me, folks. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Give us a call, folks. I know what's going on in your world. In the world of the S&Ps, let's take a look at them. What do you have? Bottom line, what you have out here, folks, is that you have higher highs once again. We're going to take a look at the SPY. We'll take a look at the SPY out here first. The SPY. SPY got up to a price point today of 334.19. The high, last high out here was 332.95. We're at 333.90. So the bottom line, you are at a new high. NDX 100, same type of setup inside the NDX. NDX right here. NDX is actually pulled away from the actually swing high that we're dealing with, the 24th of January. That's 225.88. We're at 229.92. And what did catch up today, folks, was the Dow Industrials. Dow Industrials right out here. What we have inside the Dow Industrials is that the Dow is lagging a bit, caught up in a huge way yesterday. Bottom line, made a new high out here today. The last high that was generated out here on the 17th was 29,373. We are at 29,391 right now. We got up as high as the 29,408. Inside the NDX 100, the strength versus the weakness inside the NDX. The leader out here is Cognizant Technologies. That's up 9%. Take-Two Interactive is up 5.6%. Alta Salon is up 5%. And Regeneron is up 5%. Taken away from it, you got Willis Towers down 4.8%. You got O'Reilly Automotive down 4.4%. And Fox is off 4.4%. Let's go to O'Reilly Automotive. It's very unusual. This stock has been just a big monster move higher. And bottom line is that it's coming off those highs. You know, we bring this back. In 2008, it was a $20 stock. Goes all the way up 4 months ago. Hits a high of $454. You're $50 off that number. We'll see how that shakes out. Bottom line, still low. Big strength in that equity. Dow Industrials. When we take a look at the movers inside the Dow Industrials, it's all about Boeing out here today. Boeing is up 79. Was putting 79 positive points into the Dow Industrials. Now, the ironic thing about this, which is pretty wild, okay, is that the news is Boeing has discovered a new software problem on the grounded 737 MAX, but the company said it won't flaw. Said the flaw won't set back the goal of returning the plane into service in mid-2020. That's about as whopped as you can get. But bottom line is that you caught a bid. Putting 79 points inside the Dow. Apple's putting 21, Microsoft 20, Disney 6. Taken away from it. United Health minus 26, Goldman minus 12, and Big Mac minus 7.5. Gold contract out here. We're going to need more volume inside the gold contract. Bottom line, it is holding price, but you got anemic volume out here as we're going to higher price. You got 216,000 contracts. I'd like to, to see about 320. You're coming into the downdraft that was created on Tuesday. That's when we went from 584 to 552. We take a look at this, and you see how this kind of is set up. When we going downtown there, we went downtown with 349,000 contracts. So it's good performance, holding price, but guess what? You're going to need more volume. Now, Gold is still in a confirmed a complex ABC structure on the way up. The B point is this 595. You're going to need some good volume to take that out again. If that's what we get, you have a price projection of 1705. If we go take a look at the GDX, the actual equities, they're also going to need volume. There's 17 million out here, and that 17 million right now is going into 42. You can see you're going to need more buying inside of that market to sustain higher price. Notes, bonds, all of the above, guess what? They are the most consistent deal out there, meaning moving with price as well as volume. Every time they back down with tremendously lighter volume. Every time they surge forward, they go with strength, and I mean big strength. Right now, you have the 10-year yield. We are at 1.63. This has been quite a fluctuation in price in the last week. Where do you see this? This is pretty wild. I believe we had a low of 1.50, and I'll bring this up right now. Right now, we are at 1.63. 1.6387. We were at 1.6820 this morning. That was pretty amazing. Yeah, we were. And gave it up on price. Now, what you're going to see here, now this is really cool. This is, this is a yield chart that you're looking at. So if we go back 3 months ago, it was 1.9. If we go back 4 days ago, you're at 1.5. We came right up to ICE. ICE would be basically 1.702. We hit 1.682, gave it up in spades. What we very well may have here is a monster ABC structure on the way down. And if that's what we have, you're going to see this, number one, going after its all-time low of 1.31, and more than likely just blowing that all-time low apart. King Dollar. What do you have with King Dollar? There's buying King Dollar out here. King Dollar is up 161 ticks. We're at 98,462. Now, in order for King Dollar, what King Dollar has done is this. King Dollar broke its uptrend the second week of December. That uptrend had been in place since February of 2018 till the second week of December. And now, in order for that to get back inside its higher range, and that's exactly what it's trying to do right now, it's got to get to 99,116. And that is approximately 700 ticks away from where we are right now. Stay right there, folks. Coming back with our man, Mr. Basil Chapman, and Dow. Dow right now up 75, NASDAQ up 51, S&P's up 7.5. We'll come right back.